goes quack, 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 splashing in ponds with a yellow feathered back. E is for elephant, big and so strong, spraying some water with its loom trunk so long. F is for fox, so clever and sly, darting through bushes beneath the blue sky. J is for giraffe, with a neck way up high, munching on leaves that touch the sky. H is for horse, who gallops so free, kicking up dust, just watching you'll see. I is for iguana, so scaly and green, sunbathing on rocks like a lazy sunbeam. J is for jellyfish, wibbly and wide, floating in oceans with the tide. K is for kangaroo, who hops and who leaps, carrying her baby where she keeps. L is for lion, the king of the land, roaring so loud with a voice so grand. M is for monkey, who swings on a vine, eating bananas all the time. N is for narwhal, with a tooth like a spear, swimming in ice-cold water so clear. O is for owl, with big eyes so round, hooting at night without making a sound. P is for penguin, so wobbly and sweet, sliding on ice with its little black feet. Q is for quail, who scurry so small, hiding in bushes, can you see her at all? R is for rabbit, who hops and who digs, nibbling on carrots, look how big. S is for sloth, so slow and so chill, hanging on branches, time stands still. T is for tiger, with stripes bold and bright, crawling through jungles in the pale moonlight. U is for urchin, so spiky and round, rolling in oceans without making a sound. V is for vulture, who soars up above, circling high like a feathered glove. W is for whale, so big and so blue, singing deep songs that echo right through. X is for x-ray fish, see-through and neat, gliding in rivers so shiny and sleek. Y is for yak, so shaggy and stout, carrying big loads with a furry snout. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white, running so fast, what a beautiful sight.